Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video today. Today I am doing a project share for PandaHall Selected. I had been contacted to work with them and I said I would like to do that. This is my second project share with them for this collaboration, and I had ordered some beads. So I got this kit here. This kit here, and then this kit here. Had made, what did I make? Pokey tools, I think, with the last ones on my last video. I'll link that here. And then this one, I made some beadable pins out of this kit here. I made this Mickey Mouse pin. I just used my own spacers there. Yeah, so cute, I think. And so I used this bead and then this bead out of this kit. These are my first beadable pins. And so they're very simple to make I just added the chain under here and then added this charm. Okay, so there's that one. And then I added, also out of this kit, I used this white bead out of this kit for this pin. And then I used this bead here and this bead here out of here. I use my own spacers, of course my own silicone head, my own charm, my own pins. But I think it turned out so cute. Let me see, make sure you can get this without. Okay, so there's that one. And then we have this one, which I used the beads still out of this same kit here. Out of this kit here. And of course my own spacers. Out of this kit I used the pink pearl here and the pink, or this ballerina charm on the side of here. I will be adding some other little things on here, but for the sake of this video, I just wanted to keep it all about PandaHall Selected. So there's that. Oh, I think this pin is so cute. Okay, so that's for those two kits. And then this was the Christmas kit that I received. And then it's just got all these little different goodies in here, little charms. So I just made this Christmas pin with a little Santa charm. I used my own spacers, but all the rest of the bead, all this white bead came out of the other kit. This kit here, but the rest of the beads came from this kit. So I think they turned out pretty cute for my first beadable pins. If you are interested in any of these bead kits, I will leave the link and I'll put the coupon code on the screen for PandaHall Selected. PandaHall Selected has all kinds of different things for crafting, beads, just all your crafting needs at very, very low prices. They always have good sale prices. Make sure you take advantage of the coupon code, and you know that's going to make your things even cheaper if you use the coupon code for some items you might like. These bead kits are wonderful. They come with so much things, so many different items. All right, and I hope the people that's going to receive these pins enjoy them as much as I had fun making them. And I appreciate y'all coming to watch this video, and I hope you have a great morning, noon, afternoon, evening, night. Whatever time of day it is you're watching this video, I hope you're having so much fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.